Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum called for a press conference over the controversy of Nissan Jain on Saturday. Nagaon district encroached approximately 300 meters inside Karbi Anglong district boundary. Third annual conference of Karbi Catholic Samar Asong held at Diphu from 13 to 16 January 2023. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. On 5th of January night, Karbi students leaders caught Nissan Jain along with two girls red-handedly when they were trying to practice illicit intercourse. But rather than apprehending them, police apprehended the leaders of KSA. Hence, on 14th of January, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum KAWJF conducted a press conference over the shocking apprehensions of Karbi students leaders. During the press conference, Violet Bepi, president of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, informed that Nissan Jain, sons of Sri Mangal shop's owner at Diphu, practicing illegal activities in the name of business is not acceptable. And apprehensions of students leaders with false charge who actually caught Nissan Jain along with two other girls practicing illicit activities is also not acceptable, says Violet Bepi.
Sri Mongol su po ka batai do olo ku sendiri tumhan kanu dan no same lake statement nang pilo ma tenang cetam lo la so pena prang dalang ni ke so ro phan san phalang lo do pilo ku sini tum adulong same ni tum long long ke nang lele da mo sini tum sini da lo ta no na ke da so ke so ni tum ke tum long si ta pen ka do we di jong tum mc lang pensi la ke jok je.
Here is the visuals of Nissan Jain along with two other girls when KSA leaders caught them red-handedly. Adding a note to that, Violet Bepi also informed that arresting KSA leaders and leaving the main culprit Nissan Jain freely is a failure of law and order system, saying Violet Bepi. Also expressed her disappointment over the inaudible voice of social organizations over this matter.
La penon antame ampang aso atong same ato putha kang samri ato kodang ke nik tumaka ningduk lo la pen kai ki usame ka choklem ki chok che tum bang jok bong po pula ki chok che ki jong tum han bang si lam hoi pipo mate lo en order tum same net bo hala bang ki chok che si kang sai buti ba man nang di.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. The total land area of Karbi Anglong covers 10,434 square kilometers of Assam demarcated in the year 1953. But now what we need to see is thus 10,434 square kilometers of land are still exist in reality or just on papers. Thus, the BJP government-led Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that often boasts about not giving even an inch of land to the neighboring district or states a fact or fiction. Now looking at the visual from Keroni, one can see the encroachment made from Nagaon district approximately 200 meters of West Karbi Anglong at Majihadi village, Keroni. Concerned civilians of the region, village headman and Mozadar reached the spots to review the incidents. Village headman, while speaking to us, appealed the higher authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to set up a notice board differentiating Karbi Anglong and Nagaon district and also to pay heed and intervene into this matter at the earliest.
As Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dangoria ko অনুরোধ কৰিছে আপুনি জায়গাটো ইনকোয়ারি কৰক লগতে ৰেভিনিউ ইএমও হওক তাৰপিছত আপুনি বৰ্ডাৰ চেয়াৰমেনো হওক তাৰপিছত আপুনি আপোনালোকে হেৰি কৰক ৰাস্তাও চাওক আৰু মই বিশেষকৈ এই কাৰণে মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ ৰেভিনিউ ইএমক অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ যে পাতা মানে বৰ্ডাৰ সকলক মানে পাতা বিতৰণ কৰিব লাগে বুলি মই সদায় আপত্তি কৰিছোঁ এছবাৰ মজাদাৰ হৈ
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Catholic Summer Asong KKSA was established in the year 2020, and this year around the organization marked its 3rd anniversary with a 3rd annual conference held at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Dipu from 13 January to 16 January with a theme, "But the one who endures to the end will be saved." Matthew chapter 23 verse 13. It was reported that the initial day of the conference was led by Father John Timung in presence of Father Thomas Maripurat, Father Jekaria Mandekathara, Father Joseph Teron, Father Anthony Ingti, Father Saji Lucas, sisters, brothers, and all the presidents of Karbi Catholic Summer Asong Parish attended the event. Father John Timung, while addressing his speech, briefed about the visions and motive of the organization. He informed that KKSA was established to reconnect all the intellectuals from Catholic origin. Many members are not yet known to each other. KKSA aims to reconnect with them and enhance their service to God. Reception Committee of the 3rd KKSA Annual Conference informed that as many as a total of 806 delegates from various parishes took part at the event. Rajesh Teron report for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.